Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCalerific. Today we are here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Universal had two big announcements this week. One, a new attraction, and a new Halloween Horror Nights house announcement. Not only was there two announcements, but we have new Halloween Horror Nights merch. So we have a lot to talk about, but we only have 3 hours here because we gotta leave. So we're gonna try to get all of these updates pretty fast. So come along and let's go. So the first thing we did was head to the studio tour. There wasn't a ton of updates, but I did notice that they moved Norman from the Bates Motel, and now he is in front of the Psycho House. Last week I showed you that they had some materials behind the Bates Motel, so I don't know if Terror Tram construction is going to be starting, and that's why they moved Norman to the front of the Psycho House, or maybe because it's a hot day. I am not sure, but it seems as though Terror Tram construction may be starting soon. Also, we passed by the Chucky house, and again, not like any major changes to the facade as of yet, but of course we'll be coming back and just seeing if they do change it or add a little more. Also, I try to get like a little update on this last house, but as you could see as I was zooming in, a van blocked my view. But from what I could see, it didn't look that much different. So of course we had to come and look at the current progress of the Last of Us house. Seems like people are doing a little walkthrough right now. Not so many updates, but it is a little different. We got some more fences, and we also have like a framework right there for a sign perhaps. I finally did purchase The Last of Us. It is on sale on Amazon for $50, so I got it. So I'm gonna start playing it tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be a little bit more knowledgeable on The Last of Us game. And here's the current progress of the rumored Holidays in Hell. And from the studio tour, there wasn't much like difference in the facade. So maybe when they finally announce it, they'll have more movement on the outside. Here on the lower lot, it looks like they got in a new popcorn bucket. I can't get a close look, but you could kind of see what it looks like. It says it's only $11.99, so that is not bad. So again, you can find this at the lower lot at like the little Super Nintendo snack stand. Alright guys, so we have a huge update, a huge announcement. Universal Studios on Wednesday tweeted, "Buckle up, our new Fast and the Furious theme roller coaster is under construction." So as you know, these rumors have been going on for a bit, but there was never an official announcement. But now we could say a Fast and the Furious roller coaster is coming to Universal Studios Hollywood. It's gonna be outdoors, along the side of the hill. I mean, these views are gonna be awesome. Well, personally, I'll probably be screaming and not really being able to enjoy the view at first. But I'm excited. I know it's Fast and the Furious. I mean, I never really seen those movies, but I'm excited to have a new attraction at least. Now I'm hoping that maybe they'll change up the studio tour, because the end of that studio tour is not my favorite. But while I ride the tram, I do notice that guests who haven't experienced it really do enjoy it. But we're ready for something new, especially now that they're gonna have Fast and the Furious roller coaster. At least give us something new on the studio tour. You take a look over here at this building. They have definitely had some movement, and a lot of it is being demolished, gone. It's so crazy to see the buildings like this exposed and just see what they look like inside. So crazy walking through here, and you could see like little French Street all the way over there, illumination. It's just so different. New view, of course, we'll be getting used to this. You can still come get your Springfield photo, so that's cool. I see a lot of people take photos in front of this, but if you look like right over here, you can see like the demolition happening from special effects. So that is so crazy. The only thing still standing is this sign, not even special effects show. Again, no changes to this house right over here at the Parisian Courtyard. But you know, I just had to come and look at it. We are waiting for these walls to come down, hopefully soon. Looks like they're actively working on this area. So again, we don't have any official announcement. Some saying or maybe a cafe, a little place to eat. But I can't wait to see what they're gonna bring over here. So last time we looked at this side, you could see through. They only had like insulation, but right now they have added some walls. So they are moving quickly. We got Scooby-Doo wondering what's happening over here. The construction. So something new for Super Nintendo World that has arrived are these Super Nintendo World character boxes. So they are a mystery, but I guess you can either get Peach, Mario, or poor Luigi. He's fallen. But it also comes with this little gold coin and it says Super Nintendo World. These are $22. So again, this is what it comes with, and it comes with this super cute little tin. So this week, Universal had two big announcements. The first I spoke about was the Fast and the Furious roller coaster, like I mentioned. But the second one, we finally got an HHN announcement. So we have 3 houses so far. Number 1, Chucky. Number 2, The Last of Us, based on the video game. And number 3, as a lot of people have speculated, rumors, Stranger Things is coming to Universal Studios Hollywood for Horror Nights Season 4. So Season 4 was an amazing season. They have like iconic scenes, iconic moments. So it is coming here to Universal Studios Hollywood. Are you guys excited? Personally, I am so happy because that season like felt the most horror. So I am excited to see Vecna. I'm excited to be in line listening to Running Up That Hill, Master of Puppets. But I gotta say I have a little reservations because the last 2 houses for Stranger Things, especially the last one, it did not live up to the hype or expectation. But I know that this house has a lot of hype around it this season, so I'm hoping Universal's gonna step up and it's not gonna disappoint. I'm hoping. Of course, that's probably gonna be the first house that a lot of you run to, or are you gonna run to The Last of Us? Which house are you thinking of running to first? I'm probably gonna do Stranger Things first. So John Murdy has mentioned that it's gonna start from like Vecna's curse, and you're gonna move through like the storyline of iconic characters, iconic plot points. So again, what do you guys wanna see in that house? So excited to see what else is coming to Halloween Horror Nights. Oh, and by the way, it will be located, it has been confirmed by John Murdy, in Stage 15. Today, unfortunately, when I went on the studio tour, it was closed, so I couldn't see inside, but that is where it will be located this year. So like I mentioned, there is a new merch reveal, and of course, it is Stranger Things. So they have like this trucker hat, and this is $30, and it has like the Stranger Things logo with some red stitching. And they also have this t-shirt. This shirt is $33. So here is a look at the design. We got Vecna and the Stranger Things logo. On the sleeve it says Universal Studios Hollywood Horror Nights 2023. Nothing on the back. But again, this will probably sell out quickly. So they have it in City Walk and inside of Universal Studios at the studio store. Alright everyone, so that is going to do it here from Universal Studios Hollywood. Sorry this is a short video, but we only had a limited amount of time, so I showed you the updates. And of course, we will be back next week just to see what's new. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys!